Let's make a cash register sound effect using random items from my house. Cash registers typically have some kind of drawer built into them. I don't have an actual cash register, but I do have these. Now, because I'm recording with a single shotgun mic in mono, I recorded 2 different samples for each drawer slide. Put them on 2 different tracks with one panned right and one panned left. I also had one sample where I slammed the drawer extra hard, and I used that across the top of all of these other samples. All 3 of the tracks were equalized to produce a significant increase in bass frequencies. Now, the drawer sound that I recorded was good, but the only issue is that you don't hear any coins sliding around. I took one of these metal cups and filled it with change. After doing so, I just had to shift it firmly back and forth to get that change sound that I was looking for. I used just one coin sample per drawer slide, but each of those samples was duplicated to another track, offset by a small fraction of time, and again panned to the right and left. You know, I was looking all over my house for different things that can make the bells sound, but the one that really stood out to me was the table leg on my desk. Just like the first samples, we recorded 2 of each, panned them right and left, but this time we used the flex or time stretch feature to get different pitches for each of the different sounds. Now, obviously I made a few different edits of the sounds for you guys to use. Most of them I ended up using the table leg for the bell, but I also used the same metal cup that I put the coins into previously. The samples of this metal cup basically got the same exact treatment as the table leg samples. The only difference was that I primarily shifted the pitch higher in order to get a brighter sound. After all the recording and mixing was finished, here is my final result. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, subscribe. If you want to directly support what I do, check out my Patreon in the description.